Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm building the Aston Martin DB5 in 1/43 scale, a starter set from Airfix. This was one of the 5 kits Airfix sold through the LIDL supermarket chain in the UK in summer 2026. Now if you enjoy the video, please do remember to hit that old like button, ding the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you a penny, but it's a great way to show your appreciation. This starter set that was sold by LIDL was actually released by Airfix in 2023 as a brand new tooled kit. It's been in the Airfix range ever since. The kit sold by LIDL essentially was identical apart from the design of the box, a more retro look and one which doesn't have a flying hours token. Before we get building, here are the paints and products I used for the project. So I'm going to start by putting the back seat onto the floor interior. It sits very nicely in place. Each of the front seats comes in 2 halves. The back plugs into the front. Then each seat sits on tabs on the floor. Now be careful because they have cutouts on the inside edge for the transmission tunnel. Next, underneath, I'll put the axles into place, followed by the floor pan. Then the exhausts can go in. Now I've sprayed it all up and added some detailing, and then the instrument console can go into the front. The inner side doors go in to form the passenger compartment. I've sprayed the body and the inside, so now I can fit the rear windows from the inside. The windscreen goes on from the outside. The windscreen wipers here I've already painted black and then silver. The light covers go over the lamps that I've already painted silver, and I'm using a PVA glue to prevent any fogging. The iconic Aston Martin grille can go on the nose as well. Then the body can sit onto the chassis beneath. The wheels come in 2 halves each, making them very easy to pre-paint. They look very tidy when they go onto the axle stubs. The bumpers are the last bits of plastic to go on, add a few decals and the car is complete. So there it is. I must say I really enjoyed this build. Sometimes you need something simple but rewarding, and this kit is just that. Benefiting from modern kit design, the build process could hardly be more straightforward, and it's easy to pick out bits of detail to highlight with spots of paint here and there should you want to. I'm enormously happy with the result, especially as the kit was being sold for just £6.99. A real bargain, a joy to make, and I'm only sad I haven't got a few more to make to use some other paint schemes. Aston Martins look so smart in silver or in midnight blue. Now if you've enjoyed the video, found it useful, or hopefully even both, then please do remember to hit that like button, ding the notification bell and subscribe for free. Thank you so very much for watching, and goodbye.